Keeping your Roblox account secure is important, and one of the best ways to protect it is by updating your password regularly. Whether you forgot your old password or you just want a stronger one, Roblox makes it easy to change it directly from your mobile device. Today, we'll be talking about changing your password on your mobile device. So, now let's get started. First, you need to go ahead and launch your Roblox application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the three lines in the top left corner of your screen, and from the menu that appears, tap on settings that you will find between gift cards and health and safety. Now from this page, first you can go ahead and tap on security, and there in the bottom of the page, you will find the list of devices where you're logged in. You can tap on this log out of all other sessions in order to log out yourself and your account from other devices or web browsers. Then after go to account info and scroll down and you'll see the option of password that is between login methods and personal. Go ahead and tap on this edit or the pencil icon in the right hand side of the screen. Now this will let you change your password. Go ahead and enter your current password in the first field, then a new password that you want to set for your Roblox account in the next field. Confirm the same password in the third field, and then tap on update, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.